The Mitsubishi Outlander uses an interior fuel door release system for enhanced security and ease of use. Let's walk through the simple step-by-step process to open your fuel door. Step 1. Locate the release lever on the driver's side floor near your left foot area. Look for the lever marked with a fuel pump icon. Step 2. Gently pull the lever upward or toward you, depending on your model year. You should feel a slight click when the fuel door releases. Step 3. Exit the vehicle. The fuel door will pop open slightly, indicating that the release mechanism has worked properly. Step 4. Push the fuel door fully open from the outside, then turn the gas cap counterclockwise to remove it. Most Outlander models have tethered caps for convenience. That's it. The interior release system provides security while making fuel access straightforward. Remember, locate the lever, pull to release, exit the vehicle, then open the door and remove the cap. When your Mitsubishi Outlander's fuel door isn't working properly, there are several common issues and solutions you should know about. The most frequent problem is a stuck fuel door. This usually happens due to ice buildup in winter, dirt accumulation, or mechanical issues with the release mechanism. Here's how to troubleshoot these issues step by step. First, check the release lever operation by gently pulling it and listening for the click sound. Next, inspect the fuel door area for ice, snow, or debris that might be preventing it from opening. In winter conditions, this is the most common cause. If the interior release isn't working, some Outlander models have a manual emergency release located near the fuel door itself. Check your owner's manual for the exact location. To prevent future problems, regularly operate the release lever to keep the mechanism working smoothly. In winter, always clear ice and snow from the fuel door area before attempting to open it. Remember, the Outlander uses an interior release system, which is different from many other vehicles that use push-to-open external mechanisms. Most fuel door issues are resolved simply through proper operation education. Following these troubleshooting steps and maintenance tips will help ensure your Outlander's fuel door operates reliably for years to come.